Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Gemini for Gmail productivity AI automation step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for Gemini. Press the enter key to load the Gemini homepage. Locate the login button at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button. You will be redirected to the login page. Enter your email address associated with your Gemini account in the provided field. Click on the Next button. In the next field, input your password. Click on the Login button to proceed. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, retrieve the code from your authentication app. Enter the code in the designated field. Click on Verify to complete the authentication process. Once logged in, you will be taken to your Gemini dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. Navigate to the section for Gmail Productivity AI Automations. Click on the Get Started or equivalent button to explore available automations. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your desired automation. Customize your settings as per your requirements. Save your changes to apply the automations. You are now ready to enhance your email productivity with Gemini. Enjoy the benefits of streamlined email management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.